Hello friends, welcome to Daily Sourdough. I have had a lot of requests on how I make my egg McMuffins. And of course that starts with a delicious English muffin. And so follow the link below for my recipe and instructions video on how to make the best English muffins. But then the next great ingredient needs to be delicious scrambled eggs. And start with 2 tablespoons of butter, and I'm melting that in this pan right now. And I have 6 scrambled eggs in here. So pour the scrambled eggs into the pan with your melted butter, and this is on low to medium heat. Then just takes a few minutes. Just begin to stir your eggs. And they're already beginning to cook. So while these are cooking, have 2 tablespoons of sour cream on hand. Now that these are really close to being done, put in 2 tablespoons of sour cream. And then just stir that in. Once that's completely stirred in, add a sprinkling of either chives or green onions. And you want to cook your eggs until they're no longer shiny. And then they're completely cooked and still tender and moist. Most people really overcook their eggs. Now season with salt and pepper. While your eggs are cooking, butter your English muffins and then toast them on a griddle or a fry pan, and have some bacon cooking in the oven. But now that my eggs are ready, take my English muffin off the griddle, put a piece of cheese over it, and then a good helping of the scrambled eggs, 2 slices of extra crispy bacon, and another piece of cheese, then the toasted English muffin on top. And there you have it, the breakfast of champions for sure. Delicious, fun to make, great for company. You're gonna love it. So let's dig in. Oh, so yummy. So yummy. Everybody loves these. It's a great breakfast or lunch or dinner. So give the English muffins a try. Then try putting it all together with these delicious scrambled eggs. And friends, be sure to stay tuned for more recipes coming up on Daily Sourdough.